everybody. Today we have Sushan with us. Sushan has got 8 in each in his PTE test. So we want to ask him how he has done his test and what mistakes he made or what he did right. So welcome, Sushan, first of all.
Thank you, Nishan.
Okay, so Sushan, let's say what was your history and how you changed that into 8?
Okay. So before like 8 months ago, I tried given the PT, and that time the YouTube tutorials and everything. So the score was 76, but not good enough.
Yeah, so YouTube हेरेर चाहिँ 76 सम्म चाहिँ आयो हैन and 28 I guess was it
18 rest 75
कुन चाहिँमा speaking मा yes speaking मा चाहिँ 8 भयो अनि अरुमा चाहिँ 7.5 7.5 yes and then after you came here
yeah
first of all what made you come here
it's like first of all YouTube so speaking मा 90 आएको पनि तपाईको भिडियो हेरेर थियो हैन
okay
just last minute preparation and then I checked the Facebook and everything, so I joined here and this time for this one I followed all the formats and everything like you said so I guess yeah
so how helpful was it हैन अब कस्तो फरक के हुँदो रहेछ because अब तिमी YouTube को स्टुडेन्ट पनि हो क्लास को स्टुडेन्ट पनि हो के फरक हुँदो रहेछ just for the viewers who are thinking ला YouTube मा चाहिँ के हुँदो रहेछ क्लासमा चाहिँ के हुँदो रहेछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ
सिकाउनु त एउटै कुरा हो हैन अब क्लासमा अलिकति लाइक प्र्याक्टिस धेरै हुन्छ प्लस फेस टु फेस बस्दाखेरि अलि इन्टरेक्सन धेरै हुन्छ प्लस नबुझेको कुरा टु द पोइन्ट सोध्न नि पाइयो हैन अनि अलि धेरै लाइक रियल टाइम interaction हुन्छ नि त so
yes also you get to know your mistakes on the spot हैन otherwise YouTube मा even from my perspective मलाई के लाग्छ भन्दा YouTube मा चाहिँ you watch a video it's helpful for some तर कति जनालाई चाहिँ you need some feedback त्यो feedback नपाउँदाखेरि you make mistakes अनि त्यो continuously mistake भइ नै रहन्छ है all right so let's go on module by module है त speaking त तिमीले भनिहाल्यो 90 भयो हैन सबै फर्म्याटहरु थियो त्यसमा र रिड अलाउड यताउति भयो now what about writing section को summarize written text and essay छ नि त
summarize written text clear idea त थियो what to do हैन but still त्यो प्रोसेस कसरी जाने त लाइक दुईटा सेन्टेन्स कम्बाइन गर्ने बट त्यसमा नि त धेरै रुल्सहरु थियो त्यो चाहिँ मलाई थाहा थिएन जुन चाहिँ मैले यहाँ आएर मात्र थाहा भएको थियो हैन सो आई फलोड that went well essay went well and other writing
essay ko template चाहिँ कस्तो थियो did you follow any template before coming here
yeah the same in YouTube
same yang teaching wala नै के अर्को थियो
but I need to fill up it something like that but this essay is too much easy
yeah easy template अनि was it like did you have any reservations म त पुरानै गर्छु नयाँ गर्दिन भन्ने त्यही थियो
त्यस्तो त केही थिएन बट अब स्टार्ट गरिसके हैन अब एउटा त फलो गर्नु पर्यो नि त सो त्यो भन्दा मलाई यो चाहिँ एकदम इजी लाग्यो थियो
yeah okay right so essay र यो त सजिलै छ and everyone knows यो template यताउति हो स्ट्रक्चर खाली ट्रिक्स धेरै हुन्छ यसमा but what about reading चाहिँ सबैभन्दा गाह्रो maybe तिमीलाई पनि थाहा छ होला रिडिङ गाह्रो छ हैन ट्रिक्सहरु छैन so how did you improve
so struggling the main part भनेको रिडिङ नै थियो हैन so I focus on grammar हैन फर्स्ट ग्रामर कहाँ के युज हुन्छ द सेन्टेन्स को डेफिनेसन के थियो हैन के भन्न खोजिरहेको थियो कोलोकेसन सो फोकस अन दैट रिडिङ विल बी गुड
कोलोकेसन भनेपछि चाहिँ कसरी आयो त तिमीलाई के हो इनबोर्न हो
इनबोर्न जस्तै हो like reading and watching
yes reading and watching what did you read and what did you watch
reading is normally blogs and everything nice stories everything watching like movies especially
you so know fun learning right fun learning movie पनि हेर्न पायो सिक्न पनि पायो at the same time हैन okay so यसमा चाहिँ how much time did you spend अब many of you may be thinking अब ला सुसनले कति प्र्याक्टिस गर्थ्यो होला त भनेर हैन सो के गर्थ्यो कति पढ्थ्यो अथवा 5-10 मिनेट मात्र
so I joined the class for a month na त्यसपछि I used to like give like 1-2 hours daily
after class
yeah and before the exam a little bit more so just revise it and the result will be good.
Okay. And यो noun पछाडि के आउँछ verb अगाडि के आउँछ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ यो चाहिँ कताबाट तिमीले पुल गर्यो त सोर्स?
So the main source is here हैन मलाई अलिकति स्ट्रगलै थियो त्यो पार्टहरु हैन किनकि I didn't know anything about that before. मेरो स्कुलमा त खासै त्यस्तो राम्ररी बुझेको थिएन मैले बट मैले बुझेको यही आएर हो सो all thanks to you.
Thank you. So yes, 1 month मा हामीले चाहिँ हाम्रो अप्रोच चाहिँ हैन 1 week हामी रिडिङमा मात्रै फोकस गर्छौं त्यति बेला चाहिँ ग्रामर एन्ड त्यन सबै गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ I try to help है. अब नेक्स्ट टाइम हामी लिसनिङमा हैन के गर्यो लिसनिङको लागि मुभिज मात्रै
Listening movies plus normal communication पनि हुन्छ हैन working as a customer service so interaction त्यहीबाट भइरहेको हुन्छ so अलिकति हार्ड interaction पनि so बुझ्न सकिन्छ कि के भन्न खोजेको त्यो फ्लो हैन so that helps a lot.
Okay, so जससँग चाहिँ त्यो एक्सेस छैन like they don't work in customer maybe they work in the kitchen हैन अनि किचनमा पनि सबै नेटिभ स्पिकर्सहरु छैन भने चाहिँ how can they improve?
So for that practice.
Okay, the practice game.
Practice through the PT sources and practice in class at home.
Yes.
So
listen, listen to online portals, online media पनि भइराउँछ. Yes, and त्यसरी listening improve हुन्छ. What about the most struggling तिम्रो struggle वाला एउटा 20% types मा एउटा struggling खालको कुनै थियो त्यस्तो point?
So repeat sentence. So मेरो struggling चाहिँ त्यसमै भइरहेको थियो. सुरुमा रिडिङ थियो बट लास्ट एक्जाममा चाहिँ मलाई त्यसमै स्ट्रगल भइरहेको थियो किनकि सेन्टेन्स एकदम लामो आइरहेको थियो सो त्यो कोपिङ गर्न नै गाह्रो भइरहेको थियो.
Okay, how did you manage? 90 त स्पिकिङमै छ. How did you manage?
So fumbles अलिअलि थियो not everyone but the one question of fumbles थियो so कन्टेन्टमा नि त्यति फोकस भइएन बट फ्लुएन्सी should be there.
Yes, fluency should be there. Very good. Okay. So you overall एउटा जिस्टमा सुशानले भनिसक्यो उले के गर्यो भनेर हैन but what people nowadays feel is म त यो मुभी हेर्यो भने त वेस्ट अफ टाइम हुन्छ म चाहिँ पोर्टलमा गएर प्र्याक्टिस गर्छु मात्रै पोर्टलमा मात्रै गएर प्र्याक्टिस गर्छु भन्छ.
I don't think that's a good idea. हैन किनकि कति कुराहरु लाइक त्यो रेगुलर वेमै गएर हुन्छ प्र्याक्टिस गर्यो भने त्यही एउटा मोनोटोनस त्यही एउटा फ्लोमा मात्रै जान्छ हैन plus extra of audio, video, books, everything. So you have to practice that.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So what I would like you to do is do a read aloud. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. So what I have now is a read aloud passage for you, Sushan. So I want you to demonstrate 90 by 90 speaking.
Okay.
Practice sign to the
हल्का प्रिपेयर त हुनु पर्यो कुनै कुनै वर्ड एकदम अलिकति प्रोनाउन्स गर्न गाह्रो हुन्छ either you skip it or just practice it within that time.
Did you skip any word in the exam?
No.
No, you did not. Okay. No. Maybe you can pick number 63.
Okay. Long isolated from Western Europe, Russia grew up without participating in the development like the Reformation that many Russians taking pride in their unique culture find dubious value. Russia is, as a result, the most unusual member of the European family. If indeed it's European at all, the question is still open to debate, particularly among Russians themselves.
Yeah, that's good. अब म एउटा demonstration गर्छु हैन You tell me what's wrong हैन Okay. Let's see you can spot or not. Because after this video, maybe so many of them will contact you. मेरो के भयो मेरो mistake कहाँ छ मेरो यो check गरिदिनु हैन So you need to be able to do that. Okay, म एउटा गर्छु है त This book is no ordinary book and should not be read through from beginning to end. It contains many different adventures and the path you take will depend on the choices you make along the way.
So the flow पिक्चरबाट चाहिँ continuous भयो First the 3 parts and you take a skip.
Skip or break, you mean?
Break,
yes. And was it slow, fast?
First 2 part is a bit slow, but the third part is like
Yes, fast. So you have to be consistent. Yes,
Yeah.
That's the key. So consistency, but practice money consistency. Read aloud, garda consistency. Any final tips? Besides practice, I'm practicing. What is again?
Besides practice, just believe in yourself,
Mm.
go with full confidence,
Mm.
and come to milestone study.
Thank you so much, Sushan. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.